New to Luigi's Box? Let's explore how our Search and Discovery suite empowers e-commerce businesses to improve results. We'll start with Luigi's Box Search, a powerful search tool that can be the difference between making a sale and losing a customer. Think about it. When visitors use the search bar, they're already motivated to make a purchase. But it's important that they're able to find what they need quickly. That's where Luigi's Box Search comes in. Our AI-powered technology understands your customer's behavior and intent. From correcting typos to recognizing synonyms, your visitors always get the most relevant results. Plus, with autocomplete, Luigi's Box guides users to the right products from the very first keystroke. Once integrated, Luigi's Box Search runs smoothly with minimal effort on your end. And you still have complete control over the search experience. Pin top sellers, boost seasonal items, or hide certain products. Whatever aligns with your business goals, Luigi's Box helps you spotlight the right products at the right time. Using factors like popularity and seasonality, Luigi's Box prioritizes the most relevant content, creating a more engaging experience that keeps customers coming back. And with built-in A/B testing, you can measure what works best. Then, easily optimize your search strategies over time. With Luigi's Box Search, you're not just improving search, you're designing a seamless shopping experience that drives sales and builds customer loyalty. Next, we'll dive into Luigi's Box Recommender. Powered by AI, Recommender suggests products based on each shopper's unique interests and browsing history. The result? Higher average order values and increased conversion rates. By delivering highly personalized suggestions, Recommender transforms casual browsers into loyal repeat customers. Whether it's trending products, frequently bought-together items, complimentary goods, new arrivals, or discounts, Recommender curates options that keep shoppers engaged. For example, if a customer adds a guitar to their cart, Recommender will suggest picks, cases, and straps to complete their purchase. With Recommender, you're creating an intuitive shopping experience that encourages customers to discover more, add more, and come back for more. Next, let's take a look at Luigi's Box Product Listing. This solution creates a unified customer experience across all your category pages. As visitors browse, they'll see the products that match their behavior and interests based on data-driven insights. With Product Listing, it's easy to align results with your business goals. You can let Luigi's Box do the work for you, or take control by customizing your category pages. Use product pinning, boosting, or hiding to spotlight high-margin items, highlight seasonal bestsellers, and promote your new arrivals. Dynamic filters adjust automatically, making it easier for customers to find exactly what they need. For example, t-shirts can be filtered by color, while vinyl records are filtered by genre, but not vice versa. This can help boost your sales by up to 30%. With Luigi's Box Product Listing, you're improving product visibility and guiding customers toward their perfect match. Next, let's look at Luigi's Box Shopping Assistant, your digital sales expert. It offers the online equivalent of talking to an in-store specialist, guiding shoppers through simple, intuitive questions to understand what they're really looking for. Whether someone's overwhelmed by too many options or completely new to a product category, Shopping Assistant helps narrow the choices and leads them to the right fit. But it doesn't stop there. It also learns from each shopper's behavior and preferences to recommend the most relevant products. The result? A faster path to the perfect purchase, more confident customers, and higher conversions for your store. It's easy to set up, fully customizable to match your brand, and ideal for categories like skincare, electronics, sports gear, and more. By offering expert-level guidance, Luigi's Box Shopping Assistant turns hesitant browsers into confident buyers. Finally, let's explore Luigi's Box Analytics, the product that ties everything together. It's your go-to resource for in-depth insights into your eShop's performance. With its intuitive dashboards, you can track key metrics like conversion rates, analyze search trends, identify untapped growth opportunities, and fine-tune your algorithms. Running A/B tests to find what works best is just a few clicks away. Detailed reports help you stay ahead in shaping your e-commerce strategy. But the true power of analytics lies in how it fuels the AI and machine learning models behind Search, Recommender, Product Listing, and Shopping Assistant. By constantly learning from user behavior, analytics personalizes these solutions, making them smarter and more effective, creating an exceptional shopping experience for your customers. From better search results to personalized product recommendations, your customers will love shopping with you, and you'll love the results.